We're getting a nice early start today on the Challenger. All the guys showed up, they're on time, they're in a good mood, so maybe we'll get a lot of work done. Tony showed up today from Tony's Mopar Parts. You might know him as Tony D'Agostino. How are you, buddy?
Good to meet you, Mark.
Yeah, good to meet
Tony.
you.
Nice to meet you. Hi, nice to meet you. Good.
My name is Tony D'Agostino, and I own Tony's Mopar Parts. I sell used original, NOS original parts, and we manufacture a handful of reproduction stuff that's needed in the hobby.
Let's put the heater box in.
Okay. We don't want to talk about my heater box, do we?
Toners, go up and open up the hood. I'm gonna have you be running the that side of it. If this was like a boxing match, if we were gonna have a mental boxing match about Mopar knowledge, I would say he's Apollo Creed and I'm Rocky Balboa. You know, I know I probably am not gonna win the title, but if I could just go the distance, you know, that's what I ever wanted to do, you know. Okay, smarty pants.
It's about time somebody called Mark to task on some of this stuff.
You know what you call me. I know they're going, I know they're going. Hey, why are we putting the heater box in? Darren, why didn't you put the firewall installation package in like I asked you to?
You never asked me.
Yeah, I did ask you. Never mind, John.
Do you have the black plastic?
Stop with the popcorn. If you keep running around eating the popcorn, I'm gonna kill you. I don't know anything about the popcorn deal.
Hey, Mark, remember butter?
Stop eating popcorn. You come out here and work for a year and see what happens to you. You'll be writing your name in poop on the walls backwards and reading it in the mirror.
I'm just eating popcorn. I don't know why you get so bad of shape about it. It's a free world, isn't it? Free speech, free religion, free everything. Free popcorn. Want some popcorn, Tony?
So I got those in plate.
No, thanks. I'm good on that.
You're done eating popcorn.
That didn't go over very good, did it?
There's been some episodes today with popcorn. Mostly Darren just doing his Darren thing, trying to light people up, and he looks like he got Mark going a little while ago.
Did you wonder why I got a 960 22-inch radiator, but I've got a fan shroud on it and a 7-blade fan that doesn't use the clutch? Is that right?
Yes, it is.
Be darned.
Yeah.
You know that?
Well, the 22-inch radiator cars didn't get the clutch.
That's right. Yeah, me and Tone go back and forth like that a lot. That kind of stuff. We always just kind of, we call it like high-flying martial arts, Mopar, ninja type stuff, though.
It's cool to come out here and deal with Mark and go head-to-head a little bit with some of the information we both think the other one doesn't know.
I know a lot about the Mopar stuff. He actually can trump me in that area. He is a walking encyclopedia, so he knows the parts catalogs better than Chrysler. What can you say, right? But you know what I realized, Tone?
What's that, Mark?
Because, you know, you hit me on a few of these things, you know, and I'm a little bit rusty. I'm flying around with these guys. These are the guys that I'm bouncing my brilliance off of. No wonder I don't grow and aspire. I come at somebody like you comes out here, right?
You know what's funny,
and
Mark?
we're throwing around all these numbers, and we're just
around Tony,
you know, A33, A32, A54, D21. We're just rattling, you know, and my brains are starting to come together. You know, with those guys, I learned how to fart the national anthem. That doesn't do me any good. Hard to fly with them there eagles when you're soaring around with a bunch of turkeys.
Why don't you just get over that stuff now? Enough's enough.
Having Tony come out is great. It's an extra set of hands, knowledgeable hands. We're getting a lot done. We are now ready to install the dash assembly in the 70 Challenger sunroof car.
Twice as much as my life.
Get out of my aura.
Josh?
Bro.
I got this in.
Okay.
I'm gonna get right here.
Okay.
We're in.
Watch that plug up on
Hang
top.
on,
Darren.
yep, that's what I was gonna say. This is going together so smooth, I couldn't be happier.
Speaking of holes, I see you got the 3-speaker dash in this.
Yeah, it's an R22 car. It's got 3-speaker dash.
You know there's a difference. Do you have the right speaker grills for it?
Difference in what?
Barracuda and Challenger. The Challenger ones will say J, because that's the Chrysler symbol for, you know, Challenger, and the Barracuda ones say B.
They are? Did you know that?
You say J, yeah.
These say J?
Mine say J? Well, why didn't I know that? It does go to show you that you never know everything. Every single day I learn something new, and in this case, that's what I learned with that. Can't believe it. Beautiful, huh?
Looks nice. Looks really good.
Just Dashes does a nice job on these dashes. You know, I mean, I don't know anybody doing a better job with the stitching and everything. It's great to know at least they're out there.
And it's nice they're doing it on a factory frame too.
Right.
It's not some kind of reproduction frame that's not going to fit.
Fiberglass ones that don't fit for crap. Yep. At least with this one, we know we got
Or
it.
plastic.
Yeah. ABS.
Yeah. No, and they'll warp too in a matter of time because that takes all the heat, especially black dash paper.
Right.
They, you know.
Yeah, warp to crap.
No, that's good. Good deal on that.
We did it. Awesome.
Cool.
Turds.
I'm happy to be here what I am today and just waiting to see it done.
The dash came out gorgeous. I'm super happy with how that went. Having Tony out was great. We had a lot of fun doing some Mopar mental sparring with the numbers and the codes for them. That's always a blast. I don't get to do it too often, but really it's back to reality for me now. I got to go in and call Overstock about a missing package.